Bandari, musical recipe.
My beats and my kitchen. Let's move.
Let's move. Hey, 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 hey. Go. Slice the onions long, don't make them small. That onion bite is the soul of it all. We don't want them crispy, dry or fried, just soft and golden caramelized. Salt and pepper in, let them sweat and sway. They dance in the pan in a slow sexy way. When they turn sweet, shining just right, you know the kitchen's catching fire tonight.
Shake it, move it, feel the heat. Bandari, dancing in the street. Hot pan, hot hands, spicy delight. Cook it, move it, salsa night. Salsa night. Move it, salsa night.
Grated garlic, drops red chili too. Wait, listen to me. If you're scared of spicy, this ain't your recipe. This dish gotta burn, make your heartbeat race. If it's not hot enough, leave it to someone brave.
Alright,
Now we're back in the zone. When garlic hits your nose, you know it's on.
Tomato, base it in, let it fry and glow. Cook out the raw, taste nice and slow. Now the sauce excites, take the lead. This dish is built on sausage, choose quality. Good ingredients make good food shine. Cheap sausage kills the vibe every time. Let it simmer, let the flavors combine. Give it love, give it time, now it's fine.
shake it, move it, feel the heat. Bandari, dancing in the street. Hot pan, hot hands, spicy delight. Cook it, move it, salsa night. Salsa night.
When it's thick and rich and holding tight, grab some good bread, build it right. Add onions, parsley, stack it tall. Cold soda on the side, that seals it all. One bite in, yeah, you already know.
The sandwich makes your whole body go.
Shake it, move it, feel the flame. Bandari, cooking ain't a game, dance, bite, love it. Feel the shove, this food is fire, this food is love.
From the pan to the beat, from the stove to the groove. Cook with rhythm, enjoy your beats and bites.